Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is partial differentiation. Here is about the question. Find the dimension of the rectangular box of this surface area has a volume of 1000 cubic inches. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. Let's X, Y, and Z are three sides of rectangular box because we just put about length, width, and height in here. So we know the area of the surface is about 2xy plus yz plus zx, and the volume is about xyz, and they just provide 1000. So we choose one variable in here and we replace them. So that's about x equal to 1000 divided to y and z. So we do this equation and now we change. Now we need to simplify. We got about 2000 over z plus 2000 over y. And we have 2yz in here. So we will do about first derivative of y and first derivative of z. So we put about fy. So we got about negative 2000 y square plus 2z. Similar for first derivative of z. And now we put two equation equals to 0. So we create the system of equations. We simplify number 2. And then this one we got about 1000 equals to z multiplied with y square. This one is similar. 1000 equal to z square multiplied with y. So we do this equation minus this equation, you will get about z y square minus z square multiplied with y equal to 0. So we got about z y minus z equal to 0. Z and y cannot become the 0 because they cannot get the value in here, so only y minus z equals to 0. So we got about y equals z. So we put back for this one. So we got about y to the power of 3, and we got about y equals to 10. After we find value of y, so we got about z equal to 10, and later that we put this one back for this equation. We got about s equal to 1000 divide for these two variables here, and you got about 10, and we can find the minimum of the area of surface. Let's see about this one. And that's about 600 inch square. That's the end. Thank you for watching.